But later on, no, na me dwene ho na so okay. Asem ya man ni kai. Ahwa no kredi be wom. Endra menenam social media na me ko hu say Attorney General of our state One Obi of Asempa FM interview. Now, in the interview, no, making some serious claims. Say, on TRCS, NDC people are there trying to distract everything the Attorney General is trying to do to the rest of the people. How do you call it? To the rest of the people now, they are being charged. Basically, what the Attorney General can say, NDC party no, abuchinku, abopim say, enya de omobema kwan na ya prosecute omonkrofobia. That is the trend they have taken. Now that would take me back to what the man told me. Augustus, welcome. Man, na ka kire me say, na say oba social media na obehwehwehwe nkofo ka, especially MPP for na yenchi obia. Na osi ono no ya na say nebufu no or say or MPP ni Mr. Odi are making your MPP ni or say MPP for ho ye ne hino so what is MPP ni because ka say na onya hwe na what is MPP ni because ka say na or say ya na ye nchi obi or say ya na hye nebufu because dia ya chekura mo de pressure beto so my no aye adwuma no makoti ada na mama NDC fo mbom na e ka kire mo say na ye nchi obi na ye nchi obi afi mo ma mbie mani nko bibi ho yawo. Okay, I said some time ago, ya gonna say ye bechi ya do for some pofo ebeko court. So bekaya. Na sa court na afi me menya mo gidi o sika kese bia menya bia se me nko akra na me ya de papa ne beba hik. Twe ma me kire wade. The NDC party heads, okay? Edia share we're in charge of the country, bro. The people in charge of the country is NPP. But brother, you are talking about a petty the American yaw 1 year obeka the SS yekan. Please let me tell you exactly what is going on. Yaw we have to be very, very careful. So what you say, and I mean me no we say Ghana, we are not practicing a guerrilla tactics type of government. So we should know sometimes, yes, and then the for 2 million and sananka since we have alleged or since we have said, say, or why you say, why don't we use the power to go and take them and there be there. We so Jenny, the sana but you're very wrong. Emra ni yini na yaji tu mse ye de be yedwuma mbra kwanso na eso de nefa. Na mo meka se min kire mo. Se mo be kaya eye NDC for omufiri abemu ane ye ka kire mo se omo ya akromfo nti ye be prosecute omo ne ye nya sa time ne ye nyamfo obi anko court e de na omo ka ye disca monchi yen se mo se ye disca monchi yen se mo se ye and if you people claim we have failed and they cheer yen anybody NDC for that so can se mo se ye di bone a monchi yen mo se ye di bone a monchi yen mo se ye di bone a monchi yen e wo mu na wayo me de bae okay Ewomua na wayome de bae and a Ghana for who said be Nanado Danko Kufuado are buying we normal is serious say omo be solve something about corruption in Ghana. Omo who say wayome case ni lose ipe na NDC for science start deal. Afi dia no omo ye ne say they are there daring you. Escape wache or no cromfo no and as me ye cromfo approve me ye cromfo approve you. Afi ye diwe ko jina court. Ye diwe jina court so then NDC NNM international community tio and this was their plan. Kwame Chei wo se won diska ye diska monchi yenye and obi a wo hwem ntumi kan kire me se wan te se NDC for ka se ya chiska monchi yenye se mo se ye diska mon ye se ye muntumi ye yehu monchi obi a mon ye se ma MPP for bi kura bi de akire se ene ekufu adokro ba ye onchi obi afi de mon hwe ye start cheche NDC for na o ma diska ball mine dam se be abon form e di o mo start arrange o mo before court no afi de NDC for na no mo se MPP for ye ni hwe a ye de be che omo no hwe ba bi omo nenam international organization for ho And na omo culture almost said, and a witch hunting, and at the political tyranny, there is a judicial tyranny going on now. They are trying to catch all the opposition people, and this is NDC leaders who call international bodies. And the Biana make us say, Kufa the one. So what time now? Ube wuntem. Into our time and as a sawapine. A Kufa don't know, what time now? Ube wuntem to our time and as a sawapine. The same people who claim say we don't have nothing on them. I fed you on international bodies and they can say Kufuado, tetium, tataum, crofo. Now, only my dear Emede, Omoko Commonwealth, the Patros Commonwealth for so a response on Madiaba. Obi the Wegina court. It is up to you to defend yourself and the person to prove said the Hawaiian a punishable and I'm a Inti ya mrana ni yadebeka. Inti no international body so catch romo say se mo nye shede ya ya mrana ni yadi adwuma. So why don't you go to court and defend yourself? NDC people thought they were going to go to the international world and the international world will be like, hey, Ekufuado, you are destroying democracy in Ghana. The international body may say, you people claim say Diomo Kane Yentro. And your country is a sovereign country. That is one thing. Because NDC nankasa ya utumwa. Ema uyo be a sebi like ema uyo obon for obon. You understand? NDC no. Se unya kodwenia ema obon. At kudinti ema obon ne say. Number one, you are going to an international thing to talk about a law, and the laws are the laws of your land. And your country is a sovereign country, which means the laws of your land is paramount over any other laws. And I'm going to say the laws of your land, no, or laws now, one can say, is paramount over everything. Seriously. Let's be real. Let's be honest. NDC people claim say omundiska omonyehwe and Ekufuado na tata omoke say Ekufuado na tata wo dia obi a wundiska wonye bone. What should you do? You don't go to court to go and defend yourself. You go to court to defend yourself. Enti ade na afraid obi a mose monye bone. Monam international bodies. Commonwealth na mokoha. Oh, na onim. It is funny. Na Ghana for no etuji yen. Monfan Cheme, ye ladies nini na happy Women's Day. Mr. Monfan Cheme, happy International Women's Day to all the ladies of political zone. Monfan Cheme. But Mama Menka say minchiremo. Moka say ye president Kufuor Tisono. NDC foka say or ye corrupt. Anameboa. Nunti ye denenkro for nipa mako 17. And ye diomuko jina court. Na NDC for na net ye konyaso. Ye diomuni na so far due process. Emu baako po anyone sebe yenya judgment be against ono. Adena MPP for na 17 na ye ka omo ni na bo mu no. Adena MPP for so anko Commonwealth. Anko ka say, oh, ena yenye hwe na opesa wotata yen. Why didn't the MPP for now NDC for the Mukojina court say Omedigan causing financial loss? No. Why didn't the NPP them Dr. Preku, Dr. Anane, Pakwe Sindum, the former sports minister, Kufuor time, Papa with grandma friend is saying there was this Adama Reku Brobe, they said 17 and almost so many na the court to say Omo Kufuor appointees are Omediska. The patro the NDC for be catch yen no. It me question they say, I don't na yen so MPP for MPs na say ministers na ye de omko gina court no. Omanko Commonwealth, omanko international bodies anko ka say, ye tata yen. Nembum they went to court and faced the law and made sure the law worked. They tested the law. Unim the India because they know their hands were clean. MPP for na NDC for the omukojina court no at couldn't your man kwa bonti anko ye de say ye bumio obi mro mamba ye kumio no because onim say na wabua no ho to me ni anwodin ekura no di defend no ho no strong. So you never saw any MP, you never saw any minister of Kufuor's appointees who were sent say omo diskentine say ni say no monkoyo omo no. We never seen one of them who went to an international body to go and disgrace Ghana. Except Asiedu Nketia and his bipolar NDC party. except Asiedu Nketia and the Stentanla NDC party. Except Asiedu Nketia and a stupid, low-minded, low-grade Buka party. Or say Nemaya or Jenny say, or no Yenema, Unim say, Sabi, O paint, no, a Yonuana Honamna, or say, Jimmy, we a Ghanaian first before an MPP. We a Ghanaian first before an NDC. And to what Jenny say, Odiomo Konamonka Sanamon Feria, President John Mahama. Or lose election, Ekufuado lose election, or the court to Ghana here. President Mahama lose election. No, confirm ambassador Fweni na every time a person sell Ghana. I say the ya boni wo Ghana who be NDC is willing to export it out quick. President Ekufuado lose election. No, ye who's one nam international bodies who say na there ye we am or the court cause or Jimrana wo Ghana niti. Embrana mo NDC for mo ankasa mo hyehyema Ghana no ene de sambra na mo simundi ndio Embrana NDC for ankasa na Asiedu Nketia ka ho wa ye ne sese folk o ka ho ofuso sami photo wo mu gina wo mu tintim sambra no ene de NDC for se sambra no mo mfa anya adwuma because they say the embrana aso mo mene embrana aso mo kon etwukuom. Anything to give Ghana a bad name, NDC is willing to export it fast. Yeah, election. Gidi aba na NDC and international bodies and Ekufuado. Anything to give the country a bad image, they are quick to do that. You understand? Everything. They are quick to do that. But God doesn't sleep. God doesn't sleep because Onyankopon so make sure say anytime we be at NDC bedwene bone ade bi e be say Ghana man bia no Nyankopon pe kwan ye den e de ti omoto Nyankopon pe kwan e di gu omanimu ase and it just happened. No mo dwene say Commonwealth na wakogu Ghana animu ase na yaka say Ghana for Attorney General na eyi omo say ye but God is so good. Yeah, omo call you Commonwealth for say okay. It is an allegation or it is a court case near dear mama. Okay? Yeah, the court case court here. I am running the edit. Ain't it some more can more NDC for now with this case we are back Commonwealth. Some so just go and let the laws work. No more journey so more Commonwealth, my Commonwealth I can be to stop it. No, Ghana is a sovereign country. Say what sovereignty means. So go and read what sovereignty means. When we say a country is sovereign, what does it mean? A born for class, my bon de piano gugan and nimuase. What children this in your dear crano? No, I didn't name sa ponchia sebi or pel budare. No, Jinahosa won't ye. What Jinahosa won't ye more dear nimunim, yet Chiremosa musimuntie. I didn't pound so there no Mujinaho came. Ya ba bemu munchi obia e na hwana mache no e na yesa mosimu ye ya mosi ye die ye ne munchi en ne munchi en ene de ye chemu a wo so wonye ehwe ya che wo so de afi de onenam he onenam international body wonye ehwe me Rebecca Japan me nye Rebecca yese kokko to so a afi de onenam wo Rebecca onenam e na wo sresre e na Ekufuado ye mi say won sam so a why the fuck can't you go face the law? Why can't you go face the law? And I'm a day and today I may say, as for NDC, I would expose them and make Ghanaians know say, hey, young Kwasia for party, who join here, who done it Jimmy for, who yan Yansani Krana, who join this party, now done it Jimmy for, and I would never say it, and will stop saying it because it is the truth. Kufuor time wa mochechi kufuor nkrofo say omo disika omo cause financial loss ntomu ko face loan o te say kufuor appointee ba akotogo kura say Ghanaians are being pursued or the opposition party is being pursued. Did you see any kufuor appointee go any international body to go and report anything? They all went and faced the law. They brought their evidence, and your shallow state prosecutors and this if we bibia mo ye na wrasa mo bibia nyefe mo bibia time man to me am prosecute for enipa 17 and amode omo call ye man to me an che ba akokura am prosecuting with the laws man an them. None of you did that. None of you man to me am for appointee ba akokura ntum so na ma ye dey. And the Kufuor Koto Hotel, and the Kufuor Ba Koto Hotel. Mekai se Kufuor Ba neko wari ya de maba no. Mekai pa betwe dia Ghana for ye. Ghana for Ginaona, Yam Pintin me say, I then a Kufuan for 17. I do Moko court. Almost so uncle say Ghana D. Ewa man on the baby. Why didn't they do that? Because they knew their hands were clean. And this is the other. Monko defend them one. Are they an invitation? Musi any case. Meboa. Ghana for Kennedy, Japan, by ya no working. Almost any case. Itu to me no bit says some Gemfi, no a big Gina Sempa. Oh, Obi, I'm about them how many years ni? Now, Obi Sujina, I'm 3 years there. Into one of them at once. Nasame, Nasia de Abuga Pilatum, yet the way Yakotum, yet the way Yakotum, yet the way Yakotum. Oboman was you, Nipa, Omoba, almost Obechini, Pombechini, but to this is exactly the communication these people were doing. Yeah, this was exactly the communication these people were doing, trying to say, how do you call it? President Akufo-Addo and appointees. You guys can't arrest nobody. You guys can't arrest nobody. This is what they were saying. Press conferences near the day. I feel so dear the Mokoya. Say, na mama mema mo secret bi a me so ochina me no mo be di hun komo no. NDC for plan